Hello everyone. Today we will see how to schedule our posts in Google Classroom. That is, we have already seen scheduling of assignments, but we can also schedule our announcements and the material that we are supposed to put. Suppose today I want to give certain material in the class, in my classroom, and beforehand, before I start with my class in the morning tomorrow, and it is too late, but I want to be doubly sure that my material is posted there, so I can schedule it for a particular time, and in the morning automatically it will open at that time for the students. So let me just see, for example, in 9D and 9C I am revising a lesson and I want students to be ready with the graph papers for the same. So I will take it as an announcement here and share with your class. I will just press upon it, share with your class, and I will just write my message here. I have pasted my message and I can schedule it. That means at time at which it will open for the students to see. So I will just complete work from my part, and then the other work is of this classroom itself to open it at that particular time. So suppose I want to write at 7:30. So I will write it at 7:30, the time at which it will open automatically in the morning tomorrow, and okay. So that is scheduled. This announcement is scheduled now, and I will just press upon this schedule at, so that I can just save it there. And now this announcement is there for 2nd September, and you can see here it is saved announcements written. I can just click upon this, and it is showing that it is scheduled at 7:30 on September 2, and it will automatically get open in the morning. I have certain material that I want to post, and I want the students to have that material at with them beforehand, before I start the class. And for that purpose I will just move upon this class and go to classwork, then this, press upon this plus sign, and since it is the material that is to be posted there, so I will write down the heading of the material that I am going to post. It is a revision triangles. It is revision of chapter real numbers that I am posting right now, not triangles. So revision real numbers. Then the topic is again the revision worksheet. I will save the topic, and then I will attach the file from my gallery for the revision purpose. I will move on to my gallery, and once this attachment is there as the image, I will and then move upon these 3 dots on the right hand corner top. Again I will schedule it. It is showing Wednesday 2nd September 9:30. So I will change the timing. I want this to be open by 10 o'clock for the students. So this is 10, and okay. After that I will just press upon this schedule at the top, and this material will be scheduled for 22nd September at timing 10 o'clock. You can see that it is not highlighted in pink color now, and will be highlighted at 10 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, and we can tell it as revision real numbers scheduled tomorrow at 10. So this is beforehand how you can schedule your work. And if you have many worksheets ready, your revision assignments are ready, and you are going through the revision, doing revision work in your classes, then in that case you can sit at one particular time and schedule all your revision work at different dates and different timings, so that you are pretty satisfied that the work that you want to give to the students will reach them automatically at that particular time. Thank you so much.